Hello YouTube, what's going on? This is Hyper Shadow 92 here, and today I'm doing a little bit of a unboxing. And what I've got today is the new game for the Nintendo Switch, Galgun 2. I have not really exactly played this series, but I hear it's very good, and it's also a good game to play also. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little unboxing on it. I hear good things about it, but really it's really a good game for what I'm hearing. So this is my first time ever playing it, or even giving this series a try. So I figured what better way to do it than on the Nintendo Switch. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing here. Get rid of this plastic. Alright, first here's the front of the box. You get your side, and then you got all your information right here on the back. Go ahead. Okay, then there's game card. You'd actually think they give you little manuals or something in these things now, but I mean, other than that, I mean, still, I got this one here, and also since I had this one's one I bought with something about a pre-order version, I got these cool little pins as a pre-order bonus, which I thought it was kind of a little cool. I'm not exactly going to open these up right here, but I'm just going to have them there for showing that there was a pre-order bonus for these items here. For other than that, I hope this has been my unboxing for Galgun 2 for the Nintendo Switch. If I will be giving my thoughts on it on Twitter when I get the time to actually tweet about my thoughts after giving a few playthroughs of the game. And I mean, other than that, I have good feelings this is going to be a good game. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll have a link for where to get it in the description below. And let's go ahead and wrap this video up to a close, because this has been my unboxing for Galgun 2 for the Nintendo Switch. And this is Hyper Shadow 92, and I am signing out. Peace.